In today's video I'm going to give you my special recipes for the one natural balm that can help you a lot if you have the blisters, maybe you have insect bites or any kind of skin damage and you want to heal better in the very short period of time. What you need to do is this. Use the simple balm for the blisters and other minor injuries of the skin. It has also been useful for the bug bites, bruises or burns. For 120 milliliters, you will need third of the 8 cup of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of calendula infused oil, 20 drops lavender essential oil. In a double boiler, combine the coconut oil and calendula oil over the low heat. Stir until the coconut oil is completely melted. Remove from the heat and let cool for the 2 minutes, then stir in the lavender essential oil. Pour into small jar or tin. Let cool completely, then secure the cap tightly and label the jar. Apply a thin layer of the balm on the blister, top with a bandage or blister pad if needed. Reapply as needed, keep the balm in a cool, dry place between uses. As long as no moisture introduced, it will last up to 1 year. And this is perfect natural remedies that can help you a lot if you have these small minor injuries of your skin. If you have any kind of suggestion how you in natural way remove the blisters, burns or any kind of problems, please comment below. For everyone that wants to learn a lot more about the natural remedies for this kind of problems, click here on this little window and you'll find a lot more on my videos on this topic. Thank you for following me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.